Echoes of Robert Lee Frost. A Journey Through the Ordinary. Listen to the story carefully. Story 36. Revelation. I sat by the river at dawn, water shimmering like molten glass, and something shifted inside me. The wind stirred reeds. Birds called softly, and I realized how long I'd missed noticing the quiet truths around me. Thoughts I'd carried for years, doubts, regrets, hopes, seemed lighter, flowing downstream with the current. I traced a stone with my fingers, watching ripples spread, and it struck me that life often speaks in simple patterns, if we only pause to see. Sunlight caught the water just so, igniting a small flash of understanding. Joy and sorrow, growth and loss, all part of the same unfolding story. I rose slowly, chest calm, heart wide, carrying the sense that revelation isn't always grand or sudden. It often arrives in small moments, like morning light touching familiar places with a new, clear vision. Now listen to the poem. River glimmers in dawn's first light, wind stirs reeds, soft birds in flight. Long carried thoughts drift downstream, doubts and hopes in gentle gleam. Stone traced, ripples spread afar. Life speaks in patterns, simple, clear. Sunlight sparks understanding small. Joy and sorrow, rise and fall. Chest calm, heart open wide. Revelation in moments bide. Not sudden, grand, or loud, but subtle, patient, softly proud. Morning light touches all I know. Clear vision grows where waters flow.